tuberculosis by 2030 is not impossible. With the active support and commitment of everyone seated here today, we can achieve this goal. I dedicate this investiture to Daniel, one of my staff who unfortunately lost his life to the disease, and to others who we have lost just like him by remaining silent. It is on this note that we at the Renewed Hope Initiative have decided to support the fight to end TB by 2030.
The executive director of the Global Stop TB Partnership commended Nigeria's efforts in eradicating TB.
Nigeria has a big burden of TB, but that's not a shame and not a problem, because together with a burden comes big ambition and big efforts. There is a big burden of TB, but similarly, you heard, there is big ambition and there are amazing achievements that are taking place.